Hello and welcome to another update video about Metahero. I had quite a lot of questions about Metahero and a lot of people asked me for an updated TA, so I'll give you a quick update. I'd rather cover quite a few cryptos here in a short period of time, because if nothing really significant happened, but a lot of people want an update, I mean, I can give a quick update, that's fine, but there hasn't really been a change. What is still noteworthy with Metahero is that it made a lower low. Many other cryptos haven't made a lower low since the end of February. However, Metahero has, and it shows quite a bit of a weakness in the chart. You can see it, how the price actually broke below that swing low from the 3rd of February. And it is now retesting this from below, which is not a good sign. The chart looks very weak. Absolutely, it looks very weak. But also it has not reached yet the 88.7% FIB level. So this is still the level that I'm looking at here, the 3-cent level, where the price has another chance to turn around. It's not a good sign. I have to say that very clearly, that Metahero made a lower low, whereas many other cryptos actually made a higher low and did not go below the low of the end of February or the end of January. That's not a good sign. It doesn't mean that the crypto is going to die or anything. Absolutely not. I still think Metahero has a lot of potential, but I also need to say that Metahero is a smaller project and that a lot of these smaller cryptos have a hard time. This will change if the market is picking up again, absolutely. But yeah, it is obviously a risk to invest in these smaller cryptos. And I know that, and I always try to make you aware of that. Yeah, there are a lot of cryptos out there. There are thousands of cryptos which have died already, where there's no movement anymore. And I don't think Metahero will be one of them. I think it is a project with a lot of potential, but we always need to understand that we are in the crypto market that is already risky, and it is a smaller project. Yeah, absolutely. But it will benefit from the Metaverse hype, absolutely, and that is still going on, and it will carry on. But yeah, we need to see some movement here in the charts. I mean, to be honest, it is in the target area here between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6% FIB level. That's all good. You know, it's coming to that range and that's all good, but we need some movement here. Yeah, we need a strong reaction at the latest to that 3-cent level. I'm personally careful at the moment with Metahero. I have stopped buying Metahero. I have invested in Metahero. I did dollar cost average into Metahero at certain levels here. But for now, yeah, I'm a bit careful because it made that lower low where other cryptos haven't done it. And while the market is going up today, yes, Metahero is going up a little bit as well, but it seems to be retesting this previous low from below. Yeah, and this is a resistance level here currently at around 4.5 cents. So pretty much where we are at the moment. And yeah, Metahero is in the middle of this yellow target area. That's fine. It has done, again, what many other cryptos do as well. It has done what it needs to do to complete the correction. But what it needs to do now is it needs to start moving. Yeah, I mean, the good sign is, and we can take a look at that as well, you can see here on the chart possibly a descending wedge that is similar to what many other cryptos are doing as well. Descending wedge, and in this descending wedge, you are absolutely in the apex now. So if you see the breakout here in the, I just need to make sure I draw it properly, probably more like that. If I draw it like that, there is still a little bit more movement in the apex for another few days. And based on that, we could expect here a breakout. If that happened today, the price would need to move above 5 cents. Yeah, so there isn't really, we're still in a downtrend. We made a lower low. Because we made a lower low, I have to expect still lower prices. The chart looks weak. Absolutely, it has failed to build an impulse. This was a 3-wave move here, and you're seeing here something like a 5-wave move down, an impulse down. Not a good sign. And overall as well, let's take a look at the indicators maybe on the daily chart. So we are here in the bearish range on the RSI. We are seeing a bullish divergence on the daily chart. So that is technically a good thing. We can also see that on the daily MACD, the selling pressure is being reduced and the stochastic RSI was also very low and is starting to pick up a little bit. So there is definitely a lot of room for further upside. But I think to get that further upside, we need first of all to break above this resistance at 4.5 cents. I mean, we are slightly above it, yes, but it's always a little bit of a zone, isn't it? So we want to move above this. We want to move higher. We need to move higher. And that is absolutely critical. We need to move higher. We cannot stay below that level. If we stay below it, then the price will go down further, all the way down to 3 cents. And while the other cryptos are going up a little bit, I think this will be bad for MetaHero. If then or when then the other cryptos are moving down, MetaHero might move down even more. And at some point, we're getting into the critical level here, because if we drop below 3 cents, I mean, where else does the price want to go to? This is really the last major Fibonacci retracement level where the price can find support. Yeah. What happens below that? I mean, the price doesn't necessarily need to go to zero, but it will have a hard time to recover then. Yeah, that's the message here. So I'm careful with MetaHero. Clear message, absolutely. Hope you appreciate that I'm not shilling coins here and tell you the next 100x, 1000x coin. I try to be honest with you and try to really make you aware that this is getting critical from my point of view. Not saying it's going to die, absolutely not. Otherwise, I would sell all my MetaHero. But everybody who is invested just needs to understand that this is more risky, potentially, looking at the crypto chart at the moment as well, than other cryptos. Yeah, because where does it want to go to if Bitcoin does another 20% correction? That's a little bit concerning. All right, that's my view here on MetaHero. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.